Wow, that bee sure seems busy. And so does that one. And that one too. They're all so busy. Well, except that one. Those bees are busy making honey. I wonder, how do bees make honey? Yes, let's go into the beehive. I'm gonna need wings and the excavator arm.
Wings, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Now, we just need to make like a bee and be tinier. Shrinking down. You're right, Tabs. The bee's tongue is in the flower. Hey, it's me, Blippi. This is Tabs. I was wondering how you make honey.
Hey, Blippi, I'm Bijon. Honey, huh? This is the place to be. So I'm using my tongue to drink in this sweet nectar. It's how we bees start to make honey. Okay, time to buzz. Into the beehive. Follow me. Spoiler, lots of bees working. It's like a honey factory in there.
Bijon, are they all chewing nectar?
Sure are. Gotta chew, that's what we do. Chewing makes it thicker. Can't have runny honey. I rhymed again.
And after you chew, then you have honey?
No, there's more to show. We chew, then we swallow. The nectar stays in our bellies, becomes honey, then we put it in the honeycomb.
The honeycomb?
Yep, we store the honey in the honeycomb.
Maybe I can taste some honey.
Oh dear. This may look funny, but flapping our wings is how we make thicker honey. It's a bee thing.
Whoa! Yes, Tabs, I have the answer to my question. How do bees make honey? They get nectar from flowers, chew it, store it in their stomachs, then put the honey in a honeycomb and flap their wings over it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Bijon. Thanks for being you.
Bye!
Woo-hoo! Yeah! Phew! It's so hot out today, but my popsicle is melting down my hand. I wonder, why do popsicles melt down my hand? What's that, Tabs? Go into that ice cream truck and ask an expert? That's a great idea. I'm gonna need wings, the excavator arm, and duck feet.
Wings, excavator arm, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why my popsicle always melts down my hand. Shrinking down! Woohoo! I'm in the ice cream truck.
Hi, welcome to my neighborhood. I'm Sherry Pop. Glad you popped in.
Hi, Sherry. It's me, Blippi. I was wondering why my popsicle always melts down my hand.
Oh, I know that one. But first, let's have some frozen fun.
All right. Woohoo! We're ice cream boarding.
We're sprinkle sliding.
I'm chocolate fudge snorkeling. Sherry, are you melting?
Yes, I'm melting because I'm very warm. But I'll go cool off in the freezer and I'll be fine in a sec. Ice cold.
How's it going in there, Sherry?
It's freezy breezy. Now I'm all set.
Whoa, it looks super freezing in there.
Yup, it's cool to be cold when you're a frozen dessert like me. My ideal temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. If I keep cool like that, then I won't melt.
Good to know. I see you're like my Popsicle from earlier. When it was out of the freezer and in the heat of the BlippiMobile, it melted on me.
Sounds like your Popsicle should have come for a visit.
You're right. Which means we have the answer to my question. Why my Popsicle melts down in my hand. It's because Popsicles will melt if they get too warm. That's why we keep them in the freezer. Upload answer tabs. Sherry, thank you for a totally tasty adventure. It was so cool.
Stay cool, Blippi.
Bye-bye. Oh, look at that cute little squirrel digging a hole. Did you see her bury that nut? So true, D.B.O. We do need to know the answer. I wonder, why do squirrels bury their nuts? I'm gonna need the excavator arm and wings.
Excavator arm, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Look, D.B.O. This is an acorn. It's a type of nut, and squirrels love them. Here, squirrely, squirrely. We have an acorn over here.
Nuts! Nuts! I need more nuts! I can't get enough nuts.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is my friend D.B.O. We found a nut for you.
Nut? Oh, thanks for the acorn, Blippi. My name is Sparky. I'm kinda a nut expert.
Then you have to tell us, Sparky. Why do squirrels bury their nuts?
What? You don't bury your nuts? Huh? Come with me. No time to waste. We need nuts, 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 and more nuts. This is the garden, my favorite place to collect and bury things. You know, I can bury 25 things an hour.
That's a lot of burying. How do you remember where you put it all?
I keep everything up here in the old furry head. My memory is amazing. You think you can remember like I can? You want to try it?
We sure do.
Okay, now watch. Okay, do you remember where I just buried all those acorns?
Of course we do. Easy peasy.
Not an acorn.
This is harder than I thought.
Hello, yummy walnut.
We can't find any acorns.
That's right, because I take special care to hide my nuts so only I can find them. That's how I keep them safe. And then I'll dig them up in the winter when I'm hungry and food is harder to find.
So cool! And I found the answer to my question. Why do squirrels bury their nuts? Squirrels bury their nuts and other things so they can eat them later and have enough food during the winter. Upload answer, D.B.O. Bye, Sparky!
Bye-bye!
Keep digging! Whoa, look at that! It's amazing how big dinosaurs were. You're right, D.B.O. There were bigger dinosaurs than the T-Rex. I wonder, what was the biggest dinosaur? Good idea, D.B.O. We can go back in time and find the biggest dinosaur. I'm gonna need wings and extendo legs.
Wings, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Okay, where is the biggest dinosaur? Whoa! The rock is moving! Oh! We aren't sitting on a rock. We're on a very big dinosaur's back. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Hi, Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. I'm Angie, the Argentinosaurus.
Whoa! That is a big name for a big dino. I have to break it up to say it right. Argentinosaurus.
That's me. So, I'm on my way to meet a friend. Oh, you want to come along?
Thanks for inviting us. Do you want to race? I bet you can run super fast.
Actually, I walk slowly. That's part of being so big. Plus, I need to snack to keep up my energy. I eat hundreds of pounds of plants every day.
You want to get a selfie of you and all of Angie? Good luck, D.B.O. Whoa, you're really long.
I'm about 130 feet long and 40 feet tall.
That's as long as 3 school buses and a little taller than a telephone pole.
Up the hill we go. I'll be your bridge.
Whoa!
It tickles.
Yeah!
This is where I meet my friend. Hey, good shot, D.B.O. We're both in it. Oh, and look, so is my friend.
Sorry I'm late.
Hey, this is my good friend, Nina. Nina, this is Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. They're looking for the biggest dinosaur.
That's an easy one. You're the biggest dinosaur around, Angie.
Oh, I guess I am.
So cool! And I have the answer to my question. What was the biggest dinosaur? One of the biggest dinosaurs was the Argentinosaurus. It was 130 feet long and ate plants and leaves all day. Upload answer, D.B.O. Bye, Angie and Nina.
Bye, Blippi.
Bye, Blippi.
Holy smokes! A volcano! That's right, D.B.O. When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here.
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. Speaking of treats, below us, deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma, like me.
You're right, D.B.O. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano.
Whoa!
So I guess I'm the floor.
Whoa! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma! Phew, that was close. Maggie, you almost fill the whole cavern now.
I sure do. And as I grow, the pressure inside the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on!
Whee! question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the Earth. Upload answer, D.B.O.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie! Whoa! Look at that massive skyscraper with a crane next to it. Right, D.B.O. I think it is helping build the building. I wonder, how does a crane help build a building? Great idea! We'll go talk to the crane! I'm gonna need a grabber arm and extendo legs.
Grabber arm, extendo legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Extendo legs up! Whoa!
Hi. Are you here to help me?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O. Sure, I'll help. What's your name?
It's Kareem. Kareem the Crane. It's my first big job today. I'm kind of nervous.
I get it. Trying new things makes me nervous sometimes, too. We'll help you any way we can.
I spin my mast, my tall body around, and then I extend my jib down. The jib is my long arm. Now I can use my hook to pick up these really heavy bricks. Whoa! I can't stop it swinging!
Gotcha.
Thanks, Blippi. I'm still learning, but I'll figure this out. Now you can help me with the roof. It's that big glass square down there. Glass is very fragile.
You got this.
I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!
Now, take it up, Kareem.
Oh, goodness! Look out below!
Got it. Now, let's finish the job.
Yeah!
Isn't helping Kareem so fun?
Hey, we did it!
And now I know the answer to my question. How does a crane help build a building? Cranes lift heavy materials so they can be used to construct super tall buildings. Upload answer, D.B.O. Yes!
Thanks for everything, Blippi. Bye!
Bye, Kareem! I knew you'd be an amazing crane. Whoa! Look at those ducks floating in that pond! Exactly, D.B.O. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky. Hang on, D.B.O. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O.
Well, hello there, Blippi and T.A.B.B.O. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, ducks do paddle with their feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea. I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right. We have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. D.B.O is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.
Achoo! Thanks for you. Huh, something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, D.B.O.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! I love being at the beach. Whoa! A flying fish! I wonder, what's underneath the ocean? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the ocean and find out. I'll need duck feet and a propeller.
Duck feet, Propeller confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Wow! It's a whole other world down here. Is this like some kind of underwater forest?
Exactly! It is a forest! Welcome to my neighborhood. My name's Jerry the jellyfish.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're down here to see what's in the ocean.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. The ocean's full of surprises. I'll show you. I'm going to meet my friends. Well, I'll give you a tour along the way.
All right, thanks, Jerry.
First stop, our kelp forest. This kelp can grow up to 150 feet.
Wow, that's so tall.
Oh yeah, but sometimes the water current around here blows the kelp around.
Kelp! Kelp!
Oh no, this never happens.
Great idea, Tabs. Let's use the turbo boosters.
Oh good, glad you're okay. Let's move on.
Whoa! That fish is blue and has a long nose.
She's a blue marlin. She uses her nose to find and catch food. She's also really fast.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh no, this never happens.
Yeah, Tabs, it is dark in here. Wherever we are. Jerry! Jerry?
Blippi, is that you in there? Oh no, hold on. Whoa! I scared a gray whale and she blew you right out of her blowhole? That never happens.
Thanks for getting us out of there, Jerry. Oh, you're all lit up.
I told you the ocean was full of surprises, didn't I?
Hey, look, it's your friends.
Hiya, pals. You guys found me.
And I found the answer to my question. What's underneath the ocean? There's a kelp forest, blue marlins, huge whales, and a jellyfish that lights up. Upload answer tabs.
And we're only on chapter 1. In chapter 2, there's an octopus and a shark and a sea turtle and a tuna.
Bye, Jerry.
Oh, and there's an otter and a seahorse and a lobster and a stingray.
Whoa! This spiderweb looks amazing. You're right, D.B.O. Spiderwebs do have such artistic designs. I wonder, how do spiders make their webs? Yes, let's go find a spider to ask. I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Bonjour, I'm Spencer. You're just in time to watch me make my latest artistic creation.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you about to make a web?
I am. It's going to be my greatest masterpiece, the webbiest web of all time. Want to help?
Yeah, I really want to learn how spiders make their webs.
Time to create.
D.B.O, I'll be right back.
Blippi, you can be my holder and tester. My web will be a circle-shaped design with some triangles in the middle.
What kind of string do you use to make your web?
I use silk strands that I make myself, and they shoot out of my stomach. To a spider or bug, these strands are as strong as steel.
That is so cool!
Next, the circles to complete my masterpiece. Can you hold this strand in place, Blippi?
Yeah! Whoa! It is a circle shape.
Ah, perfect! Grab that strand, Blippi, to swing out for a look.
Whoa! Amazing! Wait! Is that a picture of me in your web?
It is you, my masterpiece. Now you can test it. Bounce against it. See if it holds.
Whoa!
The sticky part is for catching bugs to eat.
Your web is beautiful and useful, Spencer. And you answered my question. How do spiders make their webs? They use super strong and sticky silk strands to create a web with a cool circular design. Upload answer, D.B.O. Thanks for showing us how you make a perfect web, Spencer. Bye-bye!
Au revoir!